Hello everyone, this is Harry from Communication. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install antivirus at your LG 350Z cellular phone. For this you need to enter at your menu and you have to click Google Market or Play Store. If you don't connect with your Google account, you can't download anything from the Play Store. So you need to connect with your Google account to the Play Store. If you don't have any Google account, check my video how to do a Google account. At the Play Store you will have so many options. You have to go at top free. In top free you will see antivirus security. This is AVG. If you not find as this, here is one lens. Hit that one and type AVG. Okay, here we are, AVG. Just need to touch, and here is one option, click install. Accept the term and condition, and as you see, it's downloading the apps. And as you see, it's giving me two options. One is open and uninstall. You can open from here. I will hit home button or show you another option. Click at menu, and at the bottom as you see antivirus, all you need to do, click this one and activate the antivirus. This is free, and scan as you want. If you have any virus, it will detect. Okay, this is all my friend. If you like this video, please do subscribe. If you have any question, leave me as a comment. I will try to answer you as much fast as possible. As always, for more information, go to the Communication, www.communication.com. Good night. Ciao.